What's up, YouTube? So wanted to make a video because I think it's time to finally sell the old Bentelli Beast 150. So wanted to make a video just to kind of link to everybody and show YouTube as well, just kind of all the things I've done to her since you've last seen her and the condition she's in, basically. So since y'all have last seen her, new headlight, new suspension, new exhaust, there's a lot of things, but yeah, we're getting her sold. So we'll start with kind of the new parts, things I've done to her, and we'll kind of go from there. But again, Bentelli Beast 150 2018. Her name's the Demon. Deleted the emission system. Got an emissions blocker in there, if you can kind of see that. Brand new exhaust system, just mounted it up there, runs great, polished. The header exhaust, new header bolts, new header gasket, and new header screws. New paint everywhere, new tire caps. Suspension is brand new. It's a fake Öhlins one. Brand new starting motor, new brake fluid, new engine oil, and new transmission oil, new air filter, new starting motor. I'm gonna put a new Gates belt in there in 2 days. That's when it comes. So I want to go ahead and make the video, but there will be a new Gates belt in there as well. So yeah, new gel battery as well. What else? New spark plugs. New fuel filter, new fuel lines. So not bad. Okay, forgetting anything here? I may be forgetting something. I'll add it in the description if I'm forgetting anything. I'll add in the description the new stuff that you can expect. But anywho, dash works good. So horn, left signal, right signal, working. We'll do the back, right signal, and then left signal. So you see it's working. Brake lights, did that. Hopefully you can see that. It still works. All right, and then of course the headlight switch, I got it wired over here. That's just because I don't know why. Okay, well, it works. I promise you. So anyway, last but not least, let's start this thing up.